Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, this is our carburetor kit for a twin cam Magnetti Marelli bike. This is your basically 95 up to about 2002. Okay, comes complete with a carb, comes complete with the air filter. This is a twin cam filter, comes complete with breather bolts for different ones as well actually, but it will do the twin cam perfectly. Comes complete with the Magnetti Marelli tap adapter from Pingle, not cheap but very good quality. New plugs and fuel filter, fuel pipe complete with clips, and this is ethanol proof pipe, manifold, and as you can see here it's got the flanges with the seals as well. So basically you don't need anything else apart from the ignition, which we do various options. We do the Altman, which personally I prefer the Thunderheart because the wires are all potted, so there's no way any water can get in at all. But the Altman is very high tech, also available for the Milwaukee 8s as well, the M8. And if you want to convert your bike back to a carb, this is the way to go. So Custom Cruisers UK, this is the kit that we sell. Thank you.